Hey, how's it going? Welcome back. I'm just gonna do a 19-minute drive here this afternoon. It's almost 5 o'clock. Sun is just about to, looks like it's about to set, so we got some daylight. We should be able to go after this car. Okay. It wasn't gonna go, so it was just about to creep out where that blue line was. So I basically just took over and accelerated through, and I just still having problems at stop signs. Coming really slowly here. Just gonna hit the accelerator slightly, just as you can see that car is trying to turn into the alley, and I didn't really want to block his way. We have a green arrow, so it should follow through. It's also peak traffic time. This car ahead is just trying to get into this lane here. Eventually we'll be getting into this lane as well. And it should stop. Okay, so a little bit of a harder break, but it was a sudden yellow light there. Almost thought I was gonna try to go through that. Just kind of slowed down just a bit as that car turned there, but we should probably be trying to make a lane change. Alright, I'm gonna do it. So I didn't want to wait till the last second. It was definitely easier to try to keep the flow going. So now we're at a merge point here. Okay, we should creep up now. I think right after there's a car coming, and then we're gonna go. I'm accelerating because it was just taking too long. And I just let go of the accelerator. So I'm starting to intervene a little bit more instead of getting honked at all the time. Sometimes I think you can be more hazardous to the road if you're not going with the flow. So I had no choice but really to, if there's like less traffic, I might just let it run its course, but you don't want to be a hazard on the road. Car coming here, so we kind of braked and braked again just now a little bit. Just kicked it up a notch. 10 kilometers over the speed limit. $15 now. So we're blinded by the light here. Tesla vision seems to be okay. I think it's gonna try to route us to the highway. I wonder if I hit the indicator and try to make a bit of a detour and go through the city versus hitting the highway, I might give it a shot. It might also confuse the software. Try to go there. It doesn't want to go, and now it is. So I guess it did work. So we're coming up on a merge here, and we have well, it was a bit of a hard turn there as that car was coming up on my side there. Okay, now it's got its indicator on, but there's another car coming, and now we're gonna go. I'm disengaging because it's actually just trying to route me back to the highway. And then, oh, phantom brake hard there. And as that happened, I hit the accelerator and just like jumped right onto the accelerator. You need to beware when that happens. And be ready to hit the accelerator, because if there's a ton of traffic coming behind you, that could be dangerous. Okay, it's going through the yellow. I didn't speed it up or anything. It was, I made the judgment call there that we were good to just carry through. All right, hard brake. Again, phantom brake. I didn't go as hard on the accelerator that time, but there was no traffic behind us. There's those like traffic lights that are not really like traffic lights, I guess, or kind of tell you which lanes. I think it got confused, but twice we got a phantom brake. So it's gonna have to choose. There's the two lanes up here are gonna go to the left, and then it's gonna split two to the right. Let's pick, hopefully, yeah, I think it is. I can see it kind of like shadowed the vehicle in front of us. See, these two lanes here are gonna go left. I gotta say, the only thing that I think I like about this version of the update is the lane selection has been a bit better, but everything else has been not as good for me anyhow. We don't want to be in this lane. I wouldn't really care if we went now. Cars merging in there, so we're not letting them in, we're just going to flow. And I just initiated that. I'm okay with just staying in this lane until we need need to turn, so no. Just trying to get back into that lane. Oh, cruise control is on. Now auto steer is temporarily unavailable. Let's see if we can. We might have to wait till we come to a stop here. I have this settings on assertive. Yeah, no give. We're about 3 minutes from our destination, so I'm getting auto steer temporarily unavailable. Sometimes the vehicle needs to come to a stop before it. So we'll have like one more right-hand turn and a left-hand turn. Okay, we're getting this problem again. So I'm just accelerating. That seemed to help it. Like, just wasn't going. It was just sticking around 15 kilometers until I accelerated, and then it kind of caught back up. We're gonna have a right turn, a right-handed turn with a yield, and a left-hand turn. So to finish off the video, we should be turning right here. Actually, sorry, it's a merge, so we're clear. We should be able to go. And then left, far left lane, far left lane. So we made it, but very choppy. If there was more cars, I don't think we would have been able to make that. And then finish this off with a green arrow. Let's see if we can do it. Okay, we're stopping. It's way too much hesitation on a green arrow. And we made it. So thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you on the next one.